Recently checked out the RopeRoller at a industry show and I was really impressed with how well this works. This is the low waste packaging that it comes with. You'll get a bunch of cable or cord, very strong, and then the whole way that the reason they call it a rope roller is because there's a bearing cam down here, so you're going to get that mechanical advantage of a pulley right in your carabiner style uh, pull pull down. So it's designed in Utah. We've got great strong cabling. Of course, it's a cool blue color. Stainless steel springs, and the cord has some reflective stuff sewn right in. Got your brass roller, and there's two of them on 10-foot cables. Hope this helps.